Dude, I've been so hype about this. You already know. So what's going on, guys? It is your boy Kimbo here, and it's time for a very, very special unboxing, man. We've got this absolute gem right here, dude. It is the Beyblade 2020 anniversary set. So also known as the Metal Fight Explosion set, dude, with all of the symbols and such. Just getting so much nostalgia, you already know. Because you guys know I started my channel back in 2012 with, with the MFB Bays and also the old school Gen of Bakugan. And yeah, man, this brings a tear to the eye. Like, we got MFB remakes, man. So sick. Metal Masters is around where I started, like the end of Metal Fusion. I was watching the show and then really getting into it with the beginning of Metal Masters. So, yeah, man, just seeing this art, it's absolutely fantastic. And I love that they're making these MFB remakes. I definitely can see them dropping a Metal Fight 4D set. So, I mean, those like that one, I'd say, I don't know. I'll get into that a little bit, but obviously had the Metal Fusion remakes, and then now having 5 with this set. So the pattern seems to be 5 bays per each of these set that they pick, and definitely all the choices were the ones I would guess would happen. So Galaxy Pegasus, Meteor L-drago, Ray Unicorno or Ray Striker, Gravity Perseus, and hell Kerbecs, dude. Just so glad to see a remake of Kerbecs and also Perseus, man. It brings a tear to the eye. Conzern and Damien getting their roses too. But yeah, I hope that like in a random booster they put out a remake of like Twisted Temple or Basalt Herogium. That would be amazing. But yeah, this just looks so sick, dude. I'm just admiring the artwork. This looks so amazing. But yeah, okay. So now I'll get that, and look at this, man. Just like the other sets, you got, of course, the anniversary. I don't know. Okay, something just showed up on my phone, but it's all good. But we got the anniversary artwork looking so awesome, man. Pegasus, Unicorno, Perseus, L-drago, Kerbecs, 2020 anniversary. Open it up and see. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at the artwork, bro. That's amazing. Jenga, Ryuga in the back. You got Masamune, then Damien down there looking menacing as ever, and Julian Conzern, man. Yeah, totally epic. This just brings a tear to the eye. This is fantastic. And look at the L-drago launcher and a black LR launcher to mirror like Julian's Perseus launcher. That's sick. That's so awesome, man. But yeah, look at all of them. They're definitely bigger in size and just it looks so cool. But yeah, man. All right. So I'll just wait. Can I get it out, or is there any tape? Because I am not reptaring this. You already know. I'm gonna be totally calm with this, and I know I'm talking a lot, but like for real, you guys are here for a review and just pulling at the heartstrings, pulling at the heartstrings absolutely with this one, and I'm so glad that we got it. But I definitely see us getting a Metal Fight 4D set. Probably the end of this year, because that's just the pattern. They released one at the end of 2019, that being the MFB one. The first one, and then the end of 2020 we got this set, so it makes sense if at the end of this year we get another remake set, except it's for 4D. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing, dude. But yeah, except it's for 4D, and I could see them putting in for that. Let's see if I can get them out. Yo, even the colors, yep, they all just so accurate, so awesome. But I see them dropping Big Bang Pegasus, of course, and L-drago Destroy. They can't leave those two out. Like Big Bang Pegasus, I imagine it having Ultimate Reboot Dash, because to mirror, the final drive. For L-drago Destroy, Generate Dash, it'll be perfect to use for it. And then for the other 3 bays, I'd say like maybe the 4-season Legendary Bladers they do. So, well, like I said, Big Bang Pegasus, Ultimate Reboot Dash, L-drago Destroy, Generate, probably Fang Leon with Wave. I can imagine them do that. Phantom Orion with Bearing. I can imagine them doing that. And the 5th bay being Diablo Nemesis, and then they put like Trick Dash on it because like how Nemesis switched through all the modes. And yeah, getting a burst Diablo Nemesis would be really wild, dude. That'd be sick. Yeah, for sure. And if they made any other ones besides that, I'd love to see Varieris, because like Zeta Dash would be perfect for it to mirror the DD. And Flash Sagittario, you could probably use high yielding. If they make a high yielding, they could put it on that. So yeah, I'm just getting like a bunch of these MFB remake ideas out there because they would be awesome bays to see, dude. So yeah, who'd even go into first? Yeah, I guess like big time hype. So why not? We'll just get into it. So we got Galaxy Pegasis, man, all the blue with it. And plus this is epic because obviously with the Metal Fight Galaxy Pegasus, the paint chipped off, but this is all blue, so it's not gonna chip, and it's always gonna look like this, man. That's amazing. That's so cool. And the parts they gave it, that being 5, they gave it 5 glaive, which is surprising that they went from like 10 to 5, maybe just because more weight with Galaxy. That's why, just to keep like the balance sort of. But yeah, 5 glaive and Jolt Dash. Definitely saw this one coming because it's the closest thing to R2F. But yeah, dude, and also one special thing about these, I'm pretty sure they can switch. Like, I can't remember how to, but I think they can. You can pop these out. If not, like, I don't want to over push it, but I think you can pop them out and interchange them. But yeah, I'm not gonna try it like right now. You guys can let me know in the comments. But I remember them making the video, and in the video they can switch them, or maybe they just made it where some of them you can and some of them you can't. But yeah, dude, there is Galaxy Pegasus. And then we've got Ray Unicorno or Ray Striker, man. All the stickers are already on it. Is that like printed on there? That's sick, dude. So they won't fly off. Because I always thought that the stickers on the ring were so cool, but they would always come off, just like the paint on Galaxy Pegasus. But yeah, man. So Ray Unicorno or Ray Striker, Masamune getting his roses. Definitely love it. It's got 1 dash because of the sword. That makes full sense, man. Lightning sword flash, you know. Proof to me are like the D125. And then I'm surprised that they, well, I guess the D125, just thinking about it. Yeah, this is probably the closest thing that would be to it. Because, you know, it would be kind of like the shape of defense, but like not the defense tip, you know. But yeah, man. But anyways, Unite Dash, to me, the CS, definitely saw that being a part of it. So yeah, man. Let's see. Yeah, it's got some pretty good clicks with it. You know, not absolutely wild because they want to keep the balance with it and such. And you know, some of the MFB remakes are really powerful, man. And even Pegasus, yeah, it's got a pretty good lock with it. But yeah, not overly crazy slopes with it. So yeah, man. Next up, we've got Meteor L-drago, Ryuga's Meteor L-drago, looking so sick. You already know. It's got the rubber and everything, so I'm so hyped about that. You know there's a certain battle that's going to be coming that I've got to do. You already know, man. Yeah. You can take a guess in the comments, but this L-drago looking so sick. All the rubber, the gold, also the gold paint and the silver on the outside, they won't come off because, you know, the Burst Remake, and it looks so amazing. And they gave it 7, you know. Honestly, one of my favorite design discs. I don't know, just something about the design, I really dig it. And plus 7 is my lucky number, but 7 Vortex to kind of do the like LW105. And then for the LF being Spiral Dash, perfect choice for it. So yeah, let's see. Can you switch the I want to try it, but I'm just so nervous. It's moving. I think you can you I think you can like switch the modes for it, maybe. But like I said, I don't want to like over push or anything. But like they are loose. I just don't want to like crazy over push. But you know, I'll figure it out. I'll screen too. But it looks so sick, man. And it's got a pretty good amount of weight with it and such. You know, they got the metal on the inside. But yeah, dude, Meteor L-drago, 7 Vortex Spiral Dash. So sick. So awesome. Enough said. All right, next up, we've got Gravity Perseus. I'm so glad they made Perseus or Destroyer because, you know, all the defense and such with it. And also paying homage to Concern. So, yeah, dude. Looks so sick. Let's see. Click-wise, not too bad. Yeah, not the absolute, like, craziest clicks, but you know how it is with the MFB remakes. And then I think you could switch the modes with this, too. Like, switch it to counter mode. If not, screw it. But it's got double O, so big time weight with it, and bump to mirror like the AD145. And then, of course, to mirror the WD, we've got yielding. So, yeah, man, we saw it on Eagle. But, yeah, man, Gravity Perseus. Double O bump yielding. So sick, man. And you can see right there, you can switch it to left and right rotation. So definitely love that. It is the dual rotation with it as well. So it's going to be so fun, man. I'm going to have a lot of fun doing the battles with these remakes. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited, man. But last but not least, we've got Hell Kerbecs, man. They paid homage to Damien with this one. So this one's the one that mainly surprised me. I think everybody was predicting it would probably have Paradox. It would make perfect sense because the gimmick for Paradox being really similar to this. So I'm surprised it's not like Paradox Dash or something. So just intertwined with it. And Mobius, because I mean, Mobius, not a bad choice because, you know, the DS and Mobius having big time defense, but still. But anyways, Hell Kerbecs, let's see the clicks for it. Also some pretty decent clicks with it as well. And plus the Mobius will help it out too. Imagine this awakened, man. Oh, yeah. Definitely going to do a lot of battles to awaken the Mobius. But it's got 0 and lift. So 0, lift, Mobius. And that's a really interesting combo for sure. And I guess it makes sense with the lift because you can switch the lift frame with the 2 different modes. So, yeah. Kind of makes sense that they put lift on it, you know, just to have that kind of gimmick with it. Would love to see Paradox, but still really awesome combo. And it looks so sick. Just glad to see them paying homage to Damien. And also, of course, the launchers. So we got the LR launcher, the black LR launcher, the mirror Julian's launcher. And also the left string launcher to mirror Ryuga's. So, yeah, and the dragon right there. So epic, man. Is it worth getting this set? You already know. If you're a big-time MFB fan, you gotta get this set. It's just so awesome. And you know if they're probably going to be putting out, like, remakes for, like, the next random boosters, probably recolors of these bases. So I won't be surprised if they put out, like, Galaxy Pegasis, Ray Striker, Meteor L-drago. Honestly, a recolor for Meteor. If we get, like, the purple and blue one, like the one in the past, that would be amazing. Like a recolor for Perseus or recolor for Kerbecs, you know. And if you can intertwine them, like, you know, switch these out, that would be cool if they did, like, the Hell Unicorno or, like, Ray Pegasus or something like that with those, you know. And that customization with it, too, even with the remakes. So, yeah, man, you already know there's going to be a ton of battles coming. Yeah, enough said. There's going to be a lot of battles coming with these bays. So many remakes and so many epic dream battles to do, man. But anyways, guys, that is going to do it for this review on this absolutely legendary, absolutely epic, absolutely amazing Beyblade Burst Beyblade 2020 Anniversary Set or Metal Fight Explosion Remake Set. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you're super stoked for the battles because I'm absolutely over the moon, man. It's going to be so fun doing these battles. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to slice that like button down below. Let me know how I did. If you're new to my channel, definitely be sure to subscribe for some epic content because I upload daily. And if you haven't already, be sure to ring that bell by my channel name to be notified whenever I upload a video. So yeah, guys, until next time, it is your boy Kimbo signing off. See you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Until then, stay awesome. And cool shoot, or let it rip. I'm up out of here. Dude, this is absolutely legendary. I'm still, my heartstrings.